In this video, I'll show you how to use the reveal sticker on Instagram. So the reveal sticker is a way to post hidden and blurred stories that will only reveal itself once a follower sends a DM. So this is a new way of connecting with your followers. So let me show you how to get the reveal sticker. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store, search for Instagram, and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to tap on the plus sign, then tap on story, and here you want to go ahead and upload a story, or you want to upload a video. Now at the top, you want to go ahead and use the sticker icon, and this will get you your sticker menu. From here, find the reveal sticker, which is right here, tap on it, and now you want to go ahead and type in your message. Now press done. Now whoever sees this message will see a blurred image, and once he or she messages you, that person will be able to see the post. And now once you're ready, you can go ahead and post this to your story. So there you go, that is how to use the new reveal sticker on Instagram. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.